Okay. Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading section for today. So, as usual, on this session, we'll be analyzing the markets and we'll be looking for possible entry opportunities. All right. And I have an important update to share with you guys. When we have less viewers right now, so I'm just going to continue with the session. And when I say that we have more participants, then I'll go ahead and make the announcement. Okay, it's an important announcement, and I have to share with you guys. All right. So for now, let's just continue with our usual activity. Let's go to the market, analyze, and look for entry opportunities. So I'm currently on XAUUSD and I'm on 1 hour time frame. Right, this is the 1 hour time frame. So this analysis was made yesterday. You see the arrow is pointing up. So the market was somewhere around here when I made this analysis. It was shared, in the BtcDana app. So yeah, you saw how the market, traded to the upside, moved bullish. So you see, this is one of the reasons why I've always advised you guys to fund your account and come and have the one-on-one session with me. Okay. Well, you guys didn't. All right. Not everyone though. Some did. Some did fund their account and they got the knowledge. But for you that didn't, trust me, you missed out a lot. Okay, you missed out a lot. All right. So still on XAUUSD 1 hour time frame. Now let's make a fresh analysis here because the market is currently trading to the upside, and I believe there's going to be a reversal very soon. Even though it's not going to be, a long-term reversal, but a reversal is definitely going to happen here, and it's going to affect the market. Okay, it's going to give a drawdown to the market, and that is when we will take advantage and look for entry opportunity. All right. All right. So yeah, let's continue. We have a leg, we have another leg, we have this, we have this, and then we have this, and then we have this. So we have this level, and the market is currently above this level. All right, so now we have another block around this area. We have another block here. We're just going to wait for the market, to do its usual thing, move up and down. And once we have a confirmation We already got a rejection, but that's not the kind of rejection I would want to open a trade on. Okay, I can't open any position, based on this rejection. So this is not a proper rejection, and the rejection I would prefer if this candle is a bearish candle. Okay, because since I'm looking to sell around this level, I would really prefer if the candle is bearish. Okay, but the one we got here is bullish, and then we also have other candles, which are bullish. So what I'm going to do here is I'll just give, a little bit of time, allow this market, do a thing, and then this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we can go down to a more lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and keep an eye on the trade from here. If the market, you know, comes down or goes down, forms any rejection anywhere around this area, yeah, then we can, look out for entry opportunity. Okay, but no rejection, no entry opportunity. Okay, no rejection, no entry opportunity. All right, so let's move on. Let's move on. So what else do we have? What else do we have here? All right, so basically, that is all for now. So let's just make analysis from another instrument, okay? And hopefully, by the time we come back, we have less than 22 minutes to the end of this current candle on the 30-minute time frame, okay? So we'll come back to this chart, and hopefully by then we have a direction, okay, or we have an opportunity to enter the market. All right. So let's make analysis from another instrument for now. All right. And since we are already down here, I think we should just continue with our, just to continue with the other instruments. Okay. So the objective here is to make profit. I don't think we need to be selective. All right. So let's go to Solana USDT. Okay. Solana USDT. So yesterday okay, it wasn't days, I think it was days. All right, let's analyze Solana USDT first. So I'm going to delete all my previous analysis on the chart and make a fresh one. Okay. So yeah, let's make a fresh analysis here. Okay. All right, so this is Solana USDT 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, we have quite a move here. Okay. So earlier we had a movement to the upside, okay, and I consider this as a liquidity purge, okay, a sweep in liquidity. All right, so I consider this whole movement here as a sweep of liquidity. And then after the sweep of liquidity, we had this price movement to the downside. This is the 1 hour time frame. So we have this change of character. This is the lower time frame change of character, and then we also have a higher time frame change of character. So change of character, if you don't know what it means, change of character simply means a change in the market direction. Okay, so if the market trend was initially an uptrend, and then the market, suddenly reversed and turned to the bearish side, which is, downtrend, it simply means that the market has changed character. Okay, so you can call it a change of character. You can also call it a shift in the market structure. All right. So yeah, we have a change of character or shift in the market structure, whichever one you prefer. So now let's go to a higher time frame. So we are currently on the 2 hour time frame, and on the 2 hour time frame, we want the market to okay. So we want the market to come back to this level, okay, because that's the level where we have a fair value gap, right? So please, if you don't know what fair value gap is, well, if you don't know, that means you haven't been paying attention to my sessions, okay? So even though I've, mentioned multiple times or several times that I won't be using the fair value gap, but never did I've explained multiple times what the fair value gaps mean. Fair value gap means, okay, how to use them, and um, you know how what causes the fair value gap, how it is created, stuff like that. And that is one of the reasons why I've always suggested that you fund your account to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay, and remember when I said it was a limited opportunity. If you fund your account, you'd have to you'd get the experience from me, learn how to analyze the market, learn how to get good entries and so on, right? And talking about limited time, so the announcement I wanted to make to you guys earlier was that the live stream is going to be put on hold for a little time. Okay, the live stream is going to be put on hold for a little time. So after today, there won't be live stream for a period of time, though I don't know for how long yet. But be sure that the announcement is going to be given when the when the when it is decide when the management decide the time to bring back the live stream. All right. So you see, I've always mentioned here that always take advantage of what you have right now. All right. Don't wait until it is the final period before you start regretting. So if you had deposited, on my live stream, you would have gotten the experience everything needed to become a profitable forex trader. But some of you thought, I was joking around. Um, and I appreciate those that actually took it serious, funded their account on my live stream. If you are in my premium group, don't worry, you still receive signals, okay? Because I know for sure that's, what those guys are thinking about right now. All right, so if there's not going to be live stream anymore, how about the signals? Trust me, you'll get those signals, okay? Yeah, you get those signals. Uh, so, yeah, after this, a date will be communicated when it is going to be reopened. Okay. So after today, there's no live stream starting from tomorrow. So that's the important update I wanted to share with you guys. So guys, for today, let's look for market opportunities to take advantage of. If you have a real money in your account, please make sure to pay attention to my session because when I get a good signal, I'm definitely gonna share. If you don't have real money, I'll suggest you go fund your account. Okay, go and fund your account because for today, I'm gonna make sure that I give I can give more than one signal if I get the opportunity. Okay, because since there's not gonna be live stream tomorrow, I want to fill you guys up. All right, I want to fill you guys up. So, so we are still on Solana USDT, all right? Now let's go to, I think we have analysis on XAU USD. All right, yeah. We said we are going to check it in 30 minutes, okay? Sorry, not 30 minutes time, but when it is 10:30, okay? So we are going to check our analysis when it is 10:30 because we were waiting for the 30 minutes candle to finish printing, right? So by then the 30 minutes candle would have, finished printing, and I think by then we should be able to tell the direction the market is going. All right. All right. So yeah, let's move to the next instrument. So here we have ETC USDT. ETC USDT on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this kind of look like the market is going down, but you don't want to jump, to conclusion with just what you are seeing on the chart, right? So analysis is very important. Analysis, technical analysis is very important. Okay, so let me be specific with what I'm talking about. Chart analysis, which is also known as the technical analysis, is very important to your trade. Okay, so you can't just decide the market direction by just looking at the chart. First of all, you want to get the overall trend, market trend. You want to know the direction the market is heading towards, and then you want to go with the order flow, which is going with the trend direction. And lastly, you want to look for entry opportunity. All right. So we have a level where the market had previously rejected, which is this area. The market rejected, sold to the downside, and here we have, what do we have here? I think we have a liquidity purge. Can we consider this as a liquidity purge? Okay, yeah, let's just use this level. But market has already gone, market has moved past that level. So I think we should just continue to make analysis on the current price. Don't think we need to go back. All right. So this is ETC USDT, Ethereum Classic against the United States data, and we are currently on the 15 minutes time frame. So we started our analysis from the 1 hour time frame down to the 15 minutes time frame. And as you can see here right now, the market is currently on the trend line and is also on an order block. Okay, we also have a fair value gap there, and then we have the first move, and then I believe the second move is about to take off. Okay, it's going to create another leg and make this go down even further. All right. All right. So 5 minutes to the end of the candle on XAUUSD. Okay, so we have less than 5 minutes. Okay, so let's just continue with our analysis on Ethereum USDT. So we also have less than 5 minutes for ETC USDT. Let's just wait until the end of the candle and see if there's going to be a rejection. So rejection is very important. Rejection is required, to get a profitable trade. So rejections are like confirmations. All right, we have less than 2 minutes to the end of the candle. Less than 2 minutes to the end of the current candle. So at the end of the candle, we should be able to tell if the market is going down. All right. All right, few seconds more. Few seconds to the end of the current candle. And yes, so the candle ended, but we didn't get the rejection we hoped for. Now let's go to the XAUUSD pair. So on XAUUSD, we don't really have a rejection. So what we needed was either a rejection or a close below this trend line. But we didn't get any of them. We didn't get a rejection. We didn't get a close below the trend line, which simply means that there's no confirmation yet. Okay, there's still no confirmation yet. So I would suggest you just continue to make more analysis. All right. So now let's go to Ethereum USDT. This is the trade I took last night and it was profitable. All right. So we are currently on Ethereum USDT. Okay. And Ethereum USDT has been on the bullish trend. We've had levels where the market, rejected multiple times. Okay. So we have this first move, we have the second, we have the third, we have All right. Uh, Sorry for the break in communication again. Your stop loss. Please make sure to set your take profit and your stop loss. It's very important. Okay. So you see, those tools are not there for just display purpose. They are there to protect your capital. Okay. They are there to protect your capital. So please make sure to set your take profit and your stop loss. And then, what else? What else? What else? All right. So once you have your take profit and your stop loss on, and as I've said earlier, if you have $20, please don't attempt this trade. Okay. The crypto instruments are very volatile instruments, and they are meant for people that have big accounts, or if you can find your way around the forex market. Yeah, if you are sure of yourself, you can actually place a trade using the open a position on any Ethereum instrument. But if you are a beginner, you are a complete beginner, and you know you don't know your way, you don't know how to make analysis, you don't know how to go about analyzing the forex chart. Please make sure to stick to the less volatile instrument, preferably the forex instruments. They are less volatile. All right. And yeah, I think that's basically all. Make sure to set your take profit and your stop loss. All right. So your stop loss is to protect you against you know continuous loss. All right. So if you are placing the trade, there should be a specified price point where you want the market to get to, and then take you out of the trade. Okay, because the trade is a losing trade. And then for take profit, this is a specified level where you specified, on your open position. So when you specify a take profit, when the market get to, the market doesn't go in a straight line. So the market will always go up, the market will come down. The market doesn't have a stable direction. Okay. So you want to have your take profit set on any trade, because even though you open a sell position and the market is selling right now, the market can still go to buy in the next hour. But if you have your take profit on, you can set it anywhere you want. You can set it, to be well on any price point. And then the more closer to your, you know, let's say you have a level already, or you have a trend line channel, you can set your take profit. If you opened a position, from one, end of the trend line, you can set your take profit to the other end, right? And then your stop loss can just be right above your trend line. All right. So this way, you see, my take profit is not too far from my entry. So if you have a take profit that is not too far from your entry, the better. Okay, because the market can easily get to such areas and then give you your profit. But if you have it set at a level where the distance is very huge, is very wide, it will take time. Okay, and if you are sure of your analysis, you can actually leave your trade to keep running until you get to your take profit. But please always remember that the market can always reverse at any point, of your trading. So please always make sure to check your trade, even if you are a long time trader. Always go back to check on your trade. See, just check your trade if everything is going fine. Um, Most especially if you don't have, if you have a wide stop loss. Okay, but if you are on a short trade, okay, like this one, so let's say we have an open position here and our stop loss is somewhere around here. Okay, our stop loss is somewhere around here. What I like to do in this kind of situation is, once I have my open position, I set my take profit, I set my stop loss. That's the end of it. I don't go back to check on my trade. I only leave my trade, um, you know, to SL and take profit. So whichever one the market gets to, yeah, even if I lose the market right now, I know I'm not going to lose forever. And then there's definitely going to be another opportunity. You see, that's the scope of being a forex trader. You don't have to win every market, okay? But you want to make sure that the one you're going to win will cover for the other losses, right? So yeah, let's quickly check on gold before the end of our session. We have analysis on gold. Okay, we had analysis on gold earlier, and you see this is still showing a bullish move. I think gold is still going to go up. I think gold will still make a bullish move. Okay, I think gold will still make a bullish move. The reason why this market is making this rejection here is because of the costing model. Okay, yeah, I've mentioned something that you guys are not familiar with. Okay, so I don't want to go deep into that. Uh, Let me just use the basic term, that is being used for to classify this kind of scenario. We have a head and a shoulder pattern. Okay, so we have a shoulder, we have a shoulder, we have a head. All right, and a head and a shoulder pattern is a sell indicator. Okay, they indicate a sell trade. All right, they give sell signal. So now that we have a head and a shoulder, what we want to do here is we also have a rejection. Okay, we also have this rejection here. We also have a rejection here, and the rejection, you see, the rejection is close to the top of the second shoulder. All right, it's close to the second shoulder, and if the market goes above this shoulder, well, we still have a level above. We still have a level here. The market can still go down. Can still go down from this point. Okay, so we have a level. This market can get to this level and then sell down. All right. The shoulders, they don't necessarily need to be on the same level. Okay, so this market can go up, can make a bullish move to this area before it sells down. All right, but if the market goes above this point, then it simply means that the market will continue to go up for now. All right, so then we'll be looking for buy opportunity. All right, so guys, that will be all for our session. And as I've said earlier, this will be the last session for now. Okay, A date will be communicated when the session would resume. All right. So that's it's been fun all the way. You know, I like the company. Even on our Telegram sessions, you guys will always come with your questions and stuff like that. So yeah, please, the opportunity is going to be open again, as I've said earlier. I don't know when yet, but it's definitely going to be open. So when the opportunity comes around again, if you didn't get the opportunity to, fund your account and learn from me, please make sure to, utilize the next opportunity. All right, nothing lasts forever. Okay, but opportunity, as they say, comes once. So when you get the opportunity, make sure to utilize the opportunity because you don't know when you're going to get that kind of opportunity anyway. All right. So yeah, guys, that will be all. See you again on, you know, when next the live session, the live stream, you resume back again. So enjoy your trading. Uh, Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye for now. And I wish everyone good luck. Bye.